Hi, and welcome to this mini-series 8 different ways of writing the alphabet in modern calligraphy. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher based in Switzerland. I'm so happy you're here because we almost made it. Today we're on this letter. Grab your pen, your ink, and let's do this. Thank you so much for watching. Which letter did you like best? Let me know. As always, you can grab my free tracing worksheet, the link is in the description below. Have a beautiful day. Bye!